Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm very glad to see you again. Don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, it's very easy for me. And let's talk about the curious Carly. This model is an inspiring example for many women. Confidently showing that beauty has no size. Her Instagram and YouTube channel inspire people around the world. She not only creates reviews of popular plus-size model but also shares her personal stories, style tips, fashion finds, and secrets to self-confidence. Carly actively engages with her audience, responding to comments and supporting her followers. In addition, Carly often hosts live streams where she shares her thoughts and experiences discussed important topics and does chats about various internet subjects. Her kindness and sincerity attract more and more people, and her smile radiates positivity. Man, guys, you should definitely subscribe to my channel. My content is diverse and engaging, and there's something followable and entertaining for